hope you're doing well. So today I'm here again, quick video recipe that's cooker chicken rice, and this I saw first on YouTuber Shamsheera's page. Thanks to her, and everyone loves it at my place, so it's very easy. Here I have took around 1.5 cups of rice, and into it I'll be adding around 2 cups of water. Adding the chicken to the rice. Now this was around half kg of chicken. Now this recipe is quick, so it avoids the preparation of masala. So directly into the cooker we'll be adding 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced and 1 medium-sized tomato too. Next we'll be adding ginger garlic paste around 1.5 tablespoons. To the masalas, first adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Also add a little bit of pepper and salt. Now mix it all well. Next we'll be adding around 2 green chillies slitted, so handful of coriander leaves chopped. Now again, thanks to Shamsheera for the tip she shared with all of us, that if you store your leaves, green leaves and green chilies in any box stuffed with tissues, so it stays for a longer time and the moisture in it is absorbed by the tissue. Same tip applied to the curry leaves too. Now we'll add some curry leaves into the cooker. Now wash them well and then add. Now lastly we'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of curd, yogurt. Give it all a nice mix and it's done. This step is completely optional. If you have chicken, you don't need to add this. If you're making vegetable pulao, so you can add the Maggi cubes, that's the seasoning. Now here I'm adding just to show you all. Now just taste this salt level and then close the pressure cooker. Now if you want, you can add a little bit of water. The exact measurement I'll be sharing in the description box. That's the ratio of rice to water. Pressure cook this for just 1 whistle and it will be done, or else it will become sticky. As you can see, it's all done. It takes hardly 10 minutes for the preparation, and it's perfect for the days you feel lazy or you have guests coming in short notice. So here it's done. Hope you all like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.